Things my mum says to me that make no fucking sense. Part 2. When she comes up to me and says, "Who's a good boy?" Well, I'm the only one here and I'm a fucking legend, so obviously it's me. When I yawn and she says, "Oh, big yawn. Are you sleepy?" No, I'm silently fucking screaming. Of course I'm sleepy, you camel toe. When I'm eating dinner and she says, "I eat better than she does." I don't fucking think so. Thunder thighs. And the one that really does my peanut in. Do you want a treat? Oh no, no thank you. I will just sit over here and fucking starve. Of course I want a fucking treat.